The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD Meghalaya, Shillong, in association with Social Service Centre Shillong, today organised a state-level awareness programme on millets. Speaking on the occasion, Agriculture Minister Dr. Amprin Lingdo urged the farmers to grow more millets as it has many medicinal values. She said since people are looking for organic products, nowadays millet is the best crop to grow as it does not require any medicine and it grows in wild. The minister also assured the Social Service Centre of all possible help from her department to create awareness of millet and to grow millet. As part of the awareness programme, spreading awareness about millet cultivation in consonance with International Year of Millets 2023, different varieties of millet and its products were showcased for the gathering.
I request the SSC staff to bring the millet cake.
Kung organic produce. But lagang nila job hakata kajingla jungi pangin penmi but de ya cermin ya in ya kisembay kau kibobong kiba ni hati bekang jungi nin pai kmak yang syaukurai but nirap ya kinong red kibote man penin yang ya umin Ujini na pamilya o ubala man ay jinirap ini hakipon kiyang.